चलते चलते मेरा गिलास भी गिर गया तो क्या करूँ यार। तो चलो आराम से खा लेते हैं भाई साहब। देख मस्त। ला 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 ला। ये सबसे गलत चीज़ है भाई, ऐसे बोलना मत भाई। और भाई साहब हाँ अभी लगभग अपने गांव में क्रॉस कर लिया मैंने। Guys, I will show you something. You know, this is the road where I come from, you know. And now we have two way over here. One way is this one, as you could see, and one way is this one. So actually this is a bypass where we can go directly to That Liskin. I will show you right now. But this road over here, you can go to one beautiful city. The name of that city is Joy. So if I go from here, it's a little bit far for me, so that's why I have to move out from this road. So as I've said, if you are coming from Guwahati or Shillong, make sure you go through this road so that you will see a beautiful Joy over here. But if you come from here, you will not see that beautiful city.
I can't find my way back to you till you make amends with the demons you've been through.
So guys, as I have told you before, like there is a bypass to the Joy city. So here it is. The name of this place is That Liskin, and there is two way over here. One way is to the Joy city and one way is to the bypass where I showed you before, right? And this place is really beautiful. As you could see, there is two hotels over here. The name of that hotel is Orchid and the other one is Highwind. And the best thing about this place is there is a lake over here, as you could see. It's a beautiful lake. So maybe someday I will go there and show you, but for now, as I've said, I have a mission to complete this cycling within a short period of times. तो भाई आप बोलेंगे यार 80 किलोमीटर्स तो इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील, ये तो बहुत आराम चल सकता है, मगर भाई मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. Why? Because there is some reason. There are some reason. The first reason is, you know, like I have to climb a lot of hills. I mean, you know, the place over here is hilly area. It's not a plain area like in central India, right? Over here there is a lot of ups and downs. There is a lot of turning point, and you know, as I've said, it's a hilly area. And the second thing, you know, my cycle doesn't have a gear, you know, so I have to pedal a lot, right? And the third thing is I have to complete this ride within a short period of time. And the fourth reason why it's difficult for me, because I have to shoot some video for you guys, you know. Whenever I see a beautiful place or whenever I feel tired, you know, I will do a video for you guys, right? So let's move. So guys, in case if you don't know, in Meghalaya there are three main districts: Khasi, Jaintia and Garo. So the place where I belong is Jaintia district. So as you could see, here's the sign over here. It says welcome to Jaintia Hill district. It means that from here to that side is Jaintia district, and from here to this side is Khasi district. So Garo is not like, it's not near, like it's a little bit far away. Khasi and Jaintia it's connected together, right? You know, I have to walk by foot in this road. I can't cycling here. It's tough, man. Plus that I'm get hungry a little bit. So guys, as soon as we cross this hill, we will have our breakfast. On top of that, guys, there is a lot of trucks, which makes me difficult to cycling over here. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Let's move and reach Shillong. Haha. What is the time now? Let me check. I think it's already 10 minutes. So guys, it's been like maybe 2 hours and a half that I have cycling. So I don't know when I will reach Shillong and at what time. Ah man, come on bro. Let's see how it's going. See guys. ओहो, चलते चलते मेरा गिलास भी गिर गया तो क्या करूँ यार। तो भाई दिस इज़ द सेकंड bypass. Like to Guwahati we have to go from here 129 kilometers, and to Shillong we have to go from here. It's just 35 kilometers from here to Shillong. So guys, if you want to see the beautiful city that is Shillong, you have to go from here. And there is a place that the name of that place is Umyam, Barapani, Damsar. Yeah, from there you can go to this bypass if you come to Joy, you know, if you want to come shortcut, you know. But if you want to see the beautiful city in Shillong, you have to come from this side, you know. कसम से यार भाई साहब बहुत थक गया भाई। साथ साथ में भूख लग गया। सुबह अभी तक कुछ नहीं खाया, अभी 7:30 बजे हो गया, 7:30 हो गया, मतलब 3 घंटे हो चुके। तो अभी कितना 30 नहीं 35 किलोमीटर्स बाकी है यहाँ से शिलोंग तक। तो भाई चलो पहले तो रेस्ट कर लेते थोड़ा बहुत, उसके बाद खाना भी खाएगा कुछ फ्रूट वगैरह, ठीक है।
I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
भाई रास्ता तो ऐसे होना चाहिए, मतलब सीधा है, ठीक है, तो मज़ा आएगा। मगर यार आगे तो बहुत तकलीफ़ हो रहा है भाई साहब। अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए तो मज़ा आएगा। चलो भाई देखते हैं आगे, चढ़ना पड़ेगा ये तो, ठीक है। कुछ तो है यार, कुछ तो खाना है भाई साहब। क्या है तो मगर छोटा छोटा है, पता नहीं यार इसका फ्रूट का नाम क्या है। अगर आप लोग को पता है तो कमेंट में बता देना भाई, ठीक है। ये रहा की मिला मेरे को, ये देख रहे हो, ये वाला, पता नहीं यार इसका नाम क्या है। हाँ बहुत अच्छा है यार, मस्त। बहुत प्यास लग रहा है ना, तो ये है रास्ता में, खा लेते हैं थोड़ा। यार धूप बहुत है यार भाई, मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है यार। इससे अच्छा बारिश होना चाहिए, तब मज़ा आएगा। ये ऊपर तक चढ़ना पड़ेगा क्या? चलो फिर, अच्छा वाला मिल जाएगा। बड़ा बड़ा वाला मिलना चाहिए, तब मज़ा आएगा। ये रहा भाई, देख बहुत है यार इसमें, देख बहुत है, ये वाला भी बहुत है यार। चलो आराम से खा लेते हैं भाई साहब, देख मस्त। बहुत अच्छा है। ये विलेज का नाम है सोरंगखाम और यहाँ शिलोंग तक 20 किलोमीटर का, इतना दूर नहीं है। देख भाई सीन बहुत अच्छा है, मस्त है जगह तो। गाइस फाइनली पहुंच गया, ये रहा शिलोंग। दिस इज शिलोंग गाइस। I feel very tired right now, like I cannot do anything guys, so I just finish it for the sake of finishing the video guys. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video.